Right, the ratio of lemon cordial to water in a drink is 2:9. How much lemon cordial is needed for 6 litres of water? Lemon cordial is like the concentrate that you put in the drink. So you have to put 2 parts lemon cordial with 9 parts of water. That's what that means. So let the lemon cordial needed be N, and then we can say that the ratio, we're writing as a ratio, and we're doing lemon to cordial to water and lemon cordial to water. So on this side we're going to have N to 6. I need N lots of lemon cordial with 6 litres of water, so N has to be found. And on this side I can say that this has to be 2 to 9, and they have to be equal. And then from a previous video I know that I write this as N divided by 6 is equal to 2 over 9. If we multiply both sides by 6, we're going to get that N is going to be equal to 2 times 6, which is 12 over 9, and then 3 goes into 9, and 12, 4 over 3 leaves 4 over 3 litres, or 1 1/3 litres. So I'm going to need 1 1/3 litres of lemon cordial to go with my 6 litres of water. So this has been a video to show a practical application of comparing two ratios. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.